Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. In today's video I am going to show you how to install Whisper by OpenAI, the speech recognition application, on a Colab without any kind of complications and long videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the Colab that I've prepared for you guys. This is the Colab. It's really simple, and all you have to do is to run 2 or 3 cells and you'll see exactly what I mean. In this moment we do not have the Whisper installed, so let's just press on the link up here and install Whisper and the required application, which is ffmpeg, and as you've seen I already have most of these things installed. So for you it will take slightly longer than it took for me, like 15-20 seconds longer. Cool. Now that we've installed it, all we need to do is to add our mp3 or mp4 file to the Colab. Now for this I have 2 ways that you can do it. One is to download a video from YouTube. Of course I suggest it's your own. For this as example I'm going to use one that's already existing, and we are going to use this wget here. However, before doing that we are going to use a YouTube to MP3 website. It's free. I have no affiliation whatsoever with this website, but I use it frequently by myself. And what I do is save the file to Dropbox, right? And all you have to do is go to Dropbox and basically get your file. There you go, and copy the link. Nice. And once you have the link, you're going to go back into the Colab, paste it, and just run the cell, and as you see here it's going to get downloaded. You also have a way to do this from downloading it on your PC by pressing download, saving it on your PC, and then uploading to the Colab by yourself manually, which takes slightly longer as wget uses the Colab's resources to download files. Now the third step, and one of the most important one, is to rename this to something easier. We're going to name this to sound.mp3 since I already have it here as this. Then you are going to see something here, exclamation mark whisper sound.mp3, the name of the file, model medium.en, which is the model that we are going to use. They do have different kind of models. You can see details about them here. I consider that medium is the best if you want to transcribe really fast and very accurate. Let's just press on it and we are going to see in real time when everything is being downloaded. So the first thing that's being downloaded is the model medium.en, which stands for English and English only. If you want to use this in another language, I do suggest you use the large model. However, it is considerably slower, so please keep that in mind when you are doing so. And also keep in mind that you cannot use .en on large. If you were to use the large model, you will either use it in this format, so you will rather go something like model large v3, which is the latest and probably the best, and so on. You cannot use the .en termination. Here is the transcript being transcribed in a live manner and pretty fast. As you see, it's going to take a very short amount of time before this is downloaded, as the video is not too long itself, only 3 minutes or so, and it has been transcribed for me. And here is the video. You can refresh this and you can get your transcribed file here in SRT, JSON, TCV, TXT, and VTT. And all you have to do is to, well, either right click on it and press download, and that's pretty much it. That's how you have it, guys. That's how you use Whisper really fast. And if you want to see a video how you install it on your local PC, please let me know in the comments and I will do that too. Until the next time, see you guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.